Welcome, and thank you for joining me on this Freedom Friday. Today we will be discussing how to open a brokerage account so you can start building wealth. So let's get started. So the first thing we do is go to a Google browser, and we're going to open up a brokerage account with Fidelity. So we're going to type in fidelity.com. Hit the enter key, and then it should open the home page. After the home page comes up, you want to select open an account. Now remember, there are several different companies that you can use to open up a brokerage account. I use Fidelity. Your company might have Charles Schwab or Vanguard or any of the other companies. So today we will scroll down, and there's several different accounts that you can open. However, we want to open a brokerage account, so we're going to click on open account. The next screen will come up, and it will ask us about, are we already a Fidelity customer? Now, if you already have an account with your company that has your 401k retirement in there, then you are a Fidelity customer, and then you would select yes. If you do not, then you select no. Once we select no, it just tells us that it's going to verify our identity, employment, help us create a username and password, and then we will be able to transfer money to start building wealth. So let's go to next. On the next screen, it will ask us, do we want to share the account or will it be an individual account? For purposes here, we're just going to do just for me. However, if you do want to share this account with your husband or children, you would select share it, and keep in mind you will have to provide that person's social security number, date of birth, etc. So let's go with next, because this will be an individual account. This screen tells us to enter in information about ourselves. So I'm just going to enter in some information. You can leave your middle name blank if you choose to. And remember, this is not real information, but this is just giving you an example of what you need to do when you start your account. And I'm just going to do F for February, put in a day and year, 1989. United States, click your drop down, find it, select United States, or you can also press U and it'll populate the United States in the field. So we will scroll down, add in a phone number. This is very necessary because this is how they will contact you or text you codes when you're trying to log into your account for security purposes. I'm just going to make up a number. Email address. Make up an email address. Now, of course, keep in mind you will put all your real information. I'm just putting in fake information just for training purposes. Here I'll just put in 123, and if you see, it actually starts popping or populating addresses. I'm just going to select the first one. After I selected that populated address, it populate the address, city, state, and zip. Now at this point you would select next. However, I'm not going to select next because it will try to verify this information. Remember, this information is only for training purposes, and it is not real. So I'm not going to click next, but you will actually click next, and then it'll verify your information. Once that information is verified, then you will be on your way to creating or opening up a brokerage account, and then you'll be on your journey to building wealth. If this information was helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can get updated videos on a regular basis. Thank you, and you have a fabulous weekend.